Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Candles by Strossal. So this continues our December Advent, which is almost over. After this, we have 2 more puzzles. And then I think we have maybe one left over that I'll just go through the normal rotation. But cool. I hope you've really enjoyed this December theme where we're doing holiday slash winter theme. Cool. So let's go over the rules. Very simple today, just Renban. So we do have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box. We are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. The pink candles, not including the flame above it. The flame above it is cosmetic, but the pink candles are Renban lines. Digits on a line form a non-repeating consecutive set of digits in any order. So these 4 digits are, if you took them and you ordered them, they would end up consecutive. But the order doesn't matter. So let's say this was 2, 3, 4, 5. I could do 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be a valid way to fill this Renban. They just have to be consecutive. I can't do 2, 3, 4, 6 because as a group, this does not form a consecutive set. There's a hole between the 4 and the 6. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay. So 5 is not on this Renban, which means 6 is also not on the Renban, because if you're going to put a 6 on a Renban, you're also going to have to put a 5. So the 6 ends up down here, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. The 2 is not on this Renban, which means there's not a 1, because if you're going to put a 1, you need to also put a 2. So the 1 ends up here. There's not a 6 on here, so that means that this is going to be from 1 through 5. We're taking from 1 through 5. Which means, if you think about it, we're only going to be able to be missing the 1 or the 5. If we miss a 2, 3, or 4, then we can't complete the Renban. We can't be consecutive. So this is definitely a 1 or a 5. We don't know which one's missing, but it's a 1 or 5 missing. Similarly up here, because there's not a 1 on this Renban, we are missing either the 2 or the 6, but we cannot actually be missing the 6. If we try to put a 6 here, it conflicts. So this has to be the 2, meaning this is 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we kind of have defined what all the Renbans are, other than this one, by the digits outside the Renban. Here, this 3 looks up, putting a 3 here. We're just going to do Sudoku here. This is a 6, and we finish the box with a 4. This row finishes with a 3. The 3 puts snow in the corner. We have a 4 and a 5 left here. This 5 tells us this is 4 and this is 5. That 5 then tells us this has to be a 1. So this is going to be 2, 3, 4. All right. What would be a good next step here? I do have 2 3s looking down here, putting a 3 down here. I've got 2 1s looking in here. That places this 1, leaving behind a 2 and a 6. So this 6 says 6 is here. That's a 2. These 1s, this one looks in, this one looks down, putting a 1 here. Now these 2 1s look down, this one looks in, putting a 1 here. We're done with 1s. I'm going to need a 5 in one of these 2 cells. I'm going to need 2 exactly here in this box. So now the column finishes with a 4. Okay, so I'm going to need a 4 down here. This column, we're going to need a 2 and a 5. This 2 tells us that's 5, that's 2. Placing the 5 in this box, finishing the box with a 6. Down here, we need a 3 and a 4, which is not resolved. What do I need here? 2, 3, 4. So the 2 is placed in the column. We have these 2 2s. So that's our 2. That places the 4 here. Now this 4 says that's 4 and that's 3. We get the 3 and the 4 here. This digit is a 6. And then down here we need 3 and 5 in this order. And we're done. All right. Neat puzzle, Strossal. Just thinking, definitely the way to approach this puzzle is to think about the outies of our Renbans. These are all 4-cell Renbans. So what are the 2 digits that don't appear? They could only be selected from 1, 2, 5, 6. And these givens did help resolve that. And then just Sudoku from there, basically. Cool. Well, I enjoyed that. Let me know how you did. If you enjoyed it, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.